an international student studying in the US, the Student Secure is an ideal insurance solution, providing both comprehensive benefits and affordable premiums. To apply for coverage, simply visit our website at www.internationalstudentinsurance.com. From there, you can either click the very first menu item, the Student Health tab, or the first listing on the home page is this International Student Health Insurance Plan, will take you directly to the Student Secure landing page. From here, we have full listings of the plan benefits for the Smart, the Budget and the Select, so you can view the full coverage. You can view the exclusions of the plan, the frequently asked questions, and the premiums of the policy. Of course, if you do have any further questions about the plan, you can either email us, contact us via live chat, download the plan brochure, or of course call us. Our customer service agents are here to help during normal business hours. Applying for the Student Secure plan is quick and easy online. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes with our online application, and we offer instant confirmation through your email address, so you can print that off and show it as proof of coverage. To start the process, simply click any of the Apply Online links that are available throughout the Student Secure page. Doing this will take you into the Quoting and Application module. From here, you just simply follow the steps to apply for coverage. To start the application, you'd need to answer some simple questions and enter some dates to get an initial quote. If you're an international student in the US, for example, you would answer this first question, are you a US citizen or permanent resident, as no. You would then need to answer will your trip include the US or US territory, as yes, you're an international student coming into the US. So that is how you would answer the first two questions. Next, it's going to ask you to enter some dates, when you want your coverage to begin. You can either enter these manually or use the very simple date picker to drop down and select a date. For example, if you wanted coverage to start in August, you would simply select August this year, and if you wanted coverage for a whole school year, you can again use the date picker and have coverage running through till May of next year. For the date of birth, you will need to enter this manually. So it's asking for month, your date, and the year that you were born. Enter those manually, and then the next question it's asking, do you want dependent coverage? This would be coverage for either a spouse or children that you want included on the policy. In most intents and purposes, if it's just you coming to the US, you would select no. This is just purely coverage for yourself. You then go down and hit the Get Quote button, and the system will go through and calculate your quote. The second step in the quote phase is actually receiving your premiums for the dates that you entered. In the quote summary here on the right, you'll see the length of coverage you asked for, the coverage area, and your age, just to let you know what you are quoting for. And then you can see the three main plans, the Smart, the Budget and the Select. You have monthly payment options for each plan and full payment options. With the monthly payment, there is a $5 administration fee, so it is slightly more expensive. So the full payment will save you money. To simply apply for coverage, you select the plan you want. So in this case, if you do want to go ahead with the Select plan and full payment, you select that and then hit Next. The third step in the application process is entering your participant information. In this case, I'll enter in some details just to show you how the process works. You enter in the country where your mail will be received, which in this case, if you're already in the US, will be there. Enter in some very simple details. Your telephone number and your email address. Once that is all done, simply hit Next to move to the next phase. The fourth phase in the application process is confirming your eligibility for the policy. So in this case, the participant's citizenship, you need to enter that in. For example, I'm from the United Kingdom, so I would put that in. You would then select your type of visa. So we have all the different visa categories here. In most cases, an international student coming into the US would select for an F1 visa or a J1. The home country is where your home country is. So in this case, I'm from the United Kingdom, so that is my home country. But my host country is the US. That's where I'm going to be studying. So I would select that as the United States. Next, we put in our university name, where you will be studying, and the state. If the host country is the US, in this case it is, we would select our state as Florida. Next, we would need to select our student's scholar status. Are you a scholar, an undergraduate, or graduate student? In most cases, you're going to be one of the three, so you select which one is applicable to you. The next question is, does the participant meet all eligibility requirements? In this case, if you want to find out what it is, click the little question mark and you can see the eligibility criteria for the Student Secure. Check it over. If everything's good and you meet that criteria, you can simply hit yes. Now, the participant's beneficiary is a name of someone that is close to you, next of kin, mother, father, brother, sister, anyone that would receive a payout in the event of the policy paying out. Typically, we see this in accidental death and dismemberment benefits. If something does happen to you while under the policy, there will be a payout under certain benefits. So you'd want to put someone that is close to you. So and you actually put in their name. So in this case, I'm going to put in my father's name, and that gives you an example. The next option is the online fulfillment. Here it's automatically set to yes, and we highly recommend that. If you select no, you will not receive your confirmation email. So in most cases, you'd want to keep that as yes. Once all that is selected, simply hit next. The fifth and sixth steps of the application process is where you enter your payment information and you get a confirmation summary on screen that everything was okay. In this case, I'm not going to actually do an application, but I can show you what it looks like. Here you'll have the amount due, total amount due for the policy. Again, you still have your quote summary running down the right. Select the Visa, MasterCard, American Express or Discover card you want to use to purchase coverage. Enter in the details. Make sure your mailing address is correct. We've pre-filled it based on the information already given in the application prior. And then you simply need to make sure you select the checkbox here, right here. And if everything is okay, you simply hit place order. At that point, it will take a few seconds, typically being 5 to 10 seconds. And if everything is good with your payment and all the details are right, you'll receive a confirmation summary on screen.
In Dubai, there are a large number of health insurance providers that you can choose from, including both local and international ones. International providers are always partnered with a local insurer. For example, Bupa is partnered with Oman Insurance, Allianz is partnered with Arab Orient, and Now Health is partnered with AXA Gulf. Each insurer will offer a wide range of options and benefits to choose from. Therefore, it can be difficult to choose the right plan. As a broker, we can help and assist. If you're looking for more information about insurance plans in Dubai, please feel free to contact us.